Hello, good morning.
Very good morning, sir.
Very good morning, sir.
I am Dr. K.K. Sharma. I am former Vice Chancellor, MDS University, Ajmer. Today I have come to meet Mr. Rohit. Rohit is a very intelligent boy, and along with Rohit, another boy is also standing. He is also doing MSc Geology. His name is Krishnakant Sharma. The third one that is standing next to me is Deependra. Deependra is also a very intelligent boy. He is doing MSc in chemistry. So today I have come to tell them that yesterday there was a program in a big institution in Jaipur, and they invited me to honor. And this honor was for Satyendra Nath Bose. S.N. Bose, Satyendra Nath Bose, he was a great philosopher and a scientist in India. If you remember, boson particles. Bosons are the particles. It is a quantum mechanics theory that was derived by Satyendra Nath Bose, and the collaborator was Einstein, Albert Einstein. So Satyendra Nath Bose told that all these subatomic particles are in two phases, and one of the phases is bosons. And this boson concept came that how the particles, the atom was created in the atmosphere, in the sphere, on the earth, or in the universe. But you can see in 1921, Nobel Prize was given to Albert Einstein, but this Indian, who is also fellow of the Royal Society, he was not given. If we go through the literature, you will find that the boson particles are in the name of the Bose. You know, Bose and boson particle. Do you remember this thing, the boson particle? Have you gone through the literature? Do you remember? Yeah. Boson particles are there. Yes, so these boson particles are, the concept came that the boson particles, they make the atoms. These are the subatomic structures, and all the atoms created in universe are through the boson particle. People also tell them God particles. So we should enrich and cultivate the science of India. My intention to tell in this small presentation is that we should cultivate science of India. We had a lot of great philosophers, a lot of great scientists, even before independence. Not only after independence, but before independence, we had a lot of philosophers, scientists, and we should honor them, and we should give recognition to them and their work. So thank you very much for hearing for a very short period of time about the Satyendra Nath Bose sir and about his discovery of the boson particle. Thank you very much.
Thank you.